Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Glenda and I'm on a mission to renovate my 1950s home. A few months ago, earlier this year, I introduced you to my back porch, what it looked like a few years back and what it looked like earlier this year. I had hopes and plans to fix the enclosed porch, but unfortunately, that didn't happen. After all of the prep work, painting, and even building new doors for it, we realized it had to come down completely. I didn't want to leave you wondering what happened with this project and if it was ever going to be completed. So let's get into it. Before we get started, I want to thank PATIOWELL for partnering with me in today's video. PATIOWELL offers deck boxes and outdoor sheds, are high quality and convenient, and provide great outdoor storage. Their 31-gallon wood grain deck box offers a storage capacity of 31 gallons with a weight capacity of 330 pounds. It requires no tools or equipment to put together, has a knockdown construction that makes it simple to assemble, so it only takes one person. It is strong and durable, constructed with weatherproof and waterproof poly resin that resists fading, rusting, peeling, or bending, making it great to be able to sit out here in an uncovered porch just like mine, allowing our belongings to remain dry and out of the weather. It offers great storage, but it also can double up as a side table or even as a seat. In my case, we'll be storing mostly my manager's toys and outdoor activity things. Be sure to check out PATIOWELL for your outdoor storage solutions using the link down in the description. Now back to the video. It's hard to tell from these pictures, but a lot of the plywood underneath the shingles on the roof and directly beneath the 2x4s of the porch was completely rotted and needed to be replaced when we were having our roof redone. Since the 2x4s were sitting directly on top of the roof and a lot of those were rotted as well, we ultimately decided to remove it all completely. So now we're left with this bare space and no covered porch, but I have hopes that either sometime next year or the following, we will have even better plans for it. In the meantime, the work of keeping this area clean this time of year is not easy. We have so many trees surrounding our home, which is great for shade during the summer, but awfully messy during the fall and winter times. We have to constantly clean leaves just to keep this area clean. So we are headed to Home Depot so we can pick up a couple of plants or just one plant, I'm not sure, for this backyard. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Cuidado, te caes. ¿Cuál te gusta mejor? De estas tres. Look, esta o esta. Okay. Oops. We bought a small lemon tree that will probably keep inside during the cold winter, but keep it out here once it warms up a bit. The next day, I worked on picking up the rest of the leaves before my manager woke up from her nap.
Agárrate. Yeah.
Mhm.
Es la bicicleta
Mhm.
y el color
Mhm.
y una planta
Mhm.
y una ese.
Mhm.
So although we won't have a covered porch to enjoy even on sucky weather days, for now we'll still get to enjoy it as it is, and sometime later in the future we'll revisit and make it beautiful like I'd hoped. I hope you enjoyed this little update and getting to hang out with us for the day. As always, thank you for all the love and support. I love y'all. Be kind, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.